removed from its resting place after 26 years.
What the? There we go. Oh. Oh.
Welcome back to Excellent Rides, guys. Today I'm back here with the Fairmont, of course, and right now I'm going to actually jack up the rear of the car to move those jack stands so this way they could be under the rear end, because I want to raise the front of the car up so this way I can actually get underneath it to grind away the surface rust at the bottom of the floor, just like how I did when I first started the channel back here. So this way I can clean it all up just like that and paint it with the black rust prevention paint, which I need to touch up some spots. I think I definitely ought to place that screw. It's cut a little too deep. Uncle got this all cut out, and so I'm gonna clean this up so this way here we can put in a piece of metal, slip in on the inside here and the outside here, so this way we can patch this up and start fixing the floor. With the help of my uncle and some electric shears, I believe they're called, we got the first patch made, or the panel itself, roughly. Oh. Wow, that ain't bad like that. I mean, it would have to be hammered away so this way it gets sandwiched nicely, but that's pretty good. it's damn good for a rough cut. This might seem like a little bit of a lot, but I mean, I have to actually clean all the surfaces up so that this way here when we weld, there is actually clean metal to weld, because you really can't weld to rust. And I mean, even though what I'm cleaning isn't rust, it's still not weldable, seeing as there's paint all over it, which is why I gotta make it look nice and shiny. Warning, warning. I'm just a 23-year-old guy. I am not by any means a skilled welder. This is going to be properly boogered, but it's gonna work. So bear with me, anyone who is actually skilled in welding. You said you wanted me to go down again?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, shit.
Hang on a minute, let me look. That's better. That's better. Keep doing the same.
Mm-hmm. Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. It's not perfect, but God.
What's that? I can't hear you.
I said it's by no means perfect, but I've seen worse.
Oh, but you're doing it.
A little better. A little bit at the bottom. think that's plenty good. Alright, I feel very accomplished. The first panel is actually welded in. I'm gonna clean this up a bit and grind these down, but right now they're pretty good. I mean, for me not having welded before, minus taking welding merit badge in Boy Scouts and failing horribly, even though I passed somehow. This all up here is what my uncle did, starting it. He tacked it a little bit, and then I just sort of slowly went down. But it might look horrible, but realistically, right here, just I had to just hit it real quick. Zip, 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 zip. Went over it a few times, simply because this right here is as thin as paper. So yeah, I did pretty much the whole inside. Inside I'm decent bit more proud of. Now my uncle, he didn't even really want to do right here in the corner, but I felt as though the car would be structurally better with it, because originally, I kid you not, originally from the factory it was just panel, and then just seam sealer right here, just all the way down. I've now got it slightly grounded down. I'm not going crazy with it, just pretty much like enough for now. I don't need perfection, I just need good enough, and for me, that's good enough.